Have you ever wished you had more time in a day? What if one day you woke up to find out that you had twice as much time as you normally do? What if a day was 48 hours instead of 24? How would this change our world? Firstly, the change in the length of the day would affect the daily routines of people all over the world. Working hours would be extended, leading to a change in shift patterns and working conditions. People would have to adapt to the new schedules, which could have an impact on their health, well-being, and social lives. The new 48-hour day would also have significant impacts on businesses and industries. For instance, retailers, banks, and other service providers would have to adjust their opening hours, and the transportation industry would have to adapt its schedules to fit the longer day. Agriculture and farming practices would also be affected, as plants would have more time to grow and mature, potentially increasing crop yields and food production. However, this would also require adjustments to the way that crops are grown, harvested, and processed. The longer day would also have environmental impacts. For instance, there could be an increase in energy consumption for lighting and cooling systems, which would have a knock-on effect on energy supply and carbon emissions. Furthermore, the longer day could disrupt natural habitats and wildlife, as animals and plants may not be able to adapt to the changes in light and dark cycles. Finally, the cultural implications of a 48-hour day would be significant. People's perception of time and its value would change with the longer day. The way that people spend their free time, socialize, and engage in recreational activities would also change. In conclusion, a 48-hour day would have significant impacts on all aspects of life on Earth, and require significant adjustments from individuals, businesses, and societies. It would be a major challenge, but also an opportunity to rethink and reshape the way that we live and work in a rapidly changing world.